Ever wondered how data is managed in large organizations? Today, step into the world of database management systems, or DBMs, and unravel the mystery behind data management. First off, what exactly is a database management system? It's a software that interacts with end users, applications, and the database itself to capture and analyze data. It allows users to manipulate the database, run queries, generate reports, and so much more. Now, let's understand the key characteristics of database systems. They are self-describing, meaning they carry a description of themselves. This is called metadata. They also support multiple views of data, allowing different users to see the database in different ways. So, who are these database users? There are four main types: database administrators, who maintain the DBMs, database designers, who design the structure, end users, who interact with databases through applications, and application programmers, who write database programs. Data in these systems can come in three forms: structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. Structured data is highly organized, think spreadsheets. Semi-structured data is a mix of organized and disorganized data, like emails. Unstructured data is not organized in a predefined manner, like social media posts. To manage this data, we use data models and schemas. A data model is a logical structure of the database, and a schema is a physical implementation of the data model in a database. In the three-schema architecture, we have the external schema or user view, the conceptual schema, and the internal schema. The external schema is what the user interacts with. The conceptual schema defines the logical structure, and the internal schema is the physical storage of data. Database languages and architectures are the means of interacting with the database. SQL, or structured query language, is one of the most common languages used. Now let's delve into the entity relationship, or ER model. It's a graphical representation of entities and their relationships to each other. Entities are objects or concepts that can be distinctly identified. An entity set is a collection of similar entities. Attributes are properties that define an entity. Relationships define how entities are associated with each other. Constraints are rules enforced on these relationships. Cardinality defines the numerical attributes of the relationship between two entities, and participation tells whether all or some instances of an entity are involved in the relationship. Weak entities are entities that can't be uniquely identified by their attributes alone. Relationships of degree 3, also known as ternary relationships, involve three entities. To sum it up, database management systems are essential for managing and controlling access to a database. They support multiple views and can handle structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. The ER model helps in visualizing the database structure. It's a fascinating world of entities, attributes, relationships, and more. So the next time you wonder about how data is managed, remember, it's all in the DBMs.